Let me ask you one honest question. Your husband, they love you so much. Your wife, they love you so much. Travel outside country. When are they above? We spend their 6 years in that place without calling you on the phone. Can you figure me? Tell me what you will do as a human being. When you are still a virgin, you will be seeing spirits. You'll be hearing voices of the spirits. You can be dreaming and your dream will be coming true. Your dream will be so clear. You'll be understanding every of your dream than when you is virgin. Because when you is virgin, so many spirits will be angry.
This particular one about series 2 part 2. Here basalo banje Iyi-Uwa and Akalaka. Enyemaka igenyere m bụ share video. If you look one of this page, Mr. Escoded. Share ya ka ndị ọzọ sorokwanụ gị fo.
The life where you can choose to be more handsome than another. The life where you can choose to be more richer than another. But in the spiritual realm, your dream, life is just like a dream. When you dream, the dream comes true. When you make a wish, the wishes come true. You don't have to struggle. You don't have to cry. You don't have to. If you want to be handsome this minute, you'll be handsome. If you want to be ugly, you'll be ugly. That's why if onye balo banja, there'll be a time oga bi na ni anya. Onye na amuke na ama so mma. Onwe mboga bo yi akwa ifu akwa amachese ya mma na aru. Ineke onye balo banja, most especially mbosi afia ndị otu eji ekunyi okeche keke choba ka igo di akwa iyi enye man like ya mana oyi enya you must like the akwa na aru e. Onye gbalo ogbo nje mbosi afia ndị otu na-ekunyi ogbo perfume inisi perfume e choba ya na afia mana e chodi ya na afia egbo anya na aru you may not like it. It goes with spirit. At the time their mood will swing, they become angry without knowing the cause of their anger. They become pouring for frustration on you whenever. Sometimes they don't like to hear anybody's voice because they are too far. This is my proof that you are an Obanja. Thank you. Sometimes you can be angry of yourself. Onye balo banje abagu ya na-eri nne and high rank obanje abagu ya na-eri nne. At the time onye balo banje, be you a man, be you a woman, obanje can spend 3 hours dressing. Oyi akwa nka, oyi ka di one no nwe oyipu ya wosa. Agwa machasa kwala mma oyi nke owusa ogbulu nke ogbupu obota nke owepu o ga na ebe o na-echange akwa na-echange. When you marry an Obanje, you will understand what I am saying. Your mate will begin to this no ogaro onya because they are bringing decision just like when all hands are cooking soup. Nnu atu be ti nnu atu go ti hu mage nga emego igwe nka asige ba o like ria. And you can only wear what they like before you can be satisfied. If you didn't wear what they like, you'll be angry at yourself. You know how you can be contented. When you are going on the road, you'll be angry. Even somebody can say, but you don't like the aqua. Does not mean that the aqua amaroma, but your spirit does not accept the aqua at that very moment. Onye Obanje welike kwado sie bulo putiro ba moto na agagagata n'onwe na-enyo fo adogbu ogbu ya ogbu amalo mma na aru ya mana spirit egwale ya ogbu a can no go. This is my proof that you are an Obanje. Ndị otu gị na-eseletele gị ife ị ga-eyi, ndị otu gị na-agba gị ife ị ga-eme, ndị otu gị can decide the mood ị ga-anọ. This is Obanje. When we are coming to life, you need to entertain questions from your spiritual spouse. Onye mere ụdị mmiri ji enye gị nsogbu, nya mere nwaanyị mmiri ji enye gị nsogbu. Because when you are failing the agreement you made with him, when you are failing from the promises you made from him to him or her, you begin to see chege banza. Your spiritual husband ka ịgbalị ya sị ya na ị na-eje ụwa mmadụ. Ọjọọ gị bụ ị na-eje ime. Ise na o nwere nwofu nwaanyị na-ebe ebele na ọ chọrọ ịmụta nwa. Sị ya na ịjọ ọsụ chọọ ka inyere ya aka ka nya bụ nwaanyị mụta nwa. Kedu oge ị ga-anatakwana? Ọ sị ya na anyanwụ nọdụ oge dị otu a na ya ga-abata. When you stay more longer than mgbe afọ, onye be gị nsogbu. Onye sibe gị nsogbu ike. There will be some plan ị ga-eme clear. Ụmụaka gị ime ịmụrụ na mmiri mana that your darling husband or wife wee gasị gị honey nke ị na-eje ebe a ọkwala ibe ị ga na-akpọkwa anyị na phone ị ga na-ezitakwala anyị ozi. Let me ask you one honest question. Your husband they love you so much, your wife they love you so much, you love this person so much, travel outside country wee jee obodo dịka South Africa, wee jee obodo dịka Mozambique, wee jee obodo dịka India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Canada, Tunisia, wee nọdụ ebe ahụ wee spend there 6 years in that place without calling you on the phone. Kedu ife ị ga-eme? Tell me what you will do as a human being. Kedu ife ị ga-eme? 6 years erikan. Let's say a year. Ọpụrụ wee nọ a year without communicating from you, without communicating you. Kedu ife ị ga-eme? They love you so much. Remember, divorce is not an option because you get I will divorce, I will remarry. Divorce is not an option in the spiritual realm. What will you do? What will you do? And you know the agent, and you know where he is living, and you can easily communicate with the people who be in Abefa. What will you do? Tell me what you will do. You must find a way to disturb him or her. He can never maybe trouble. This is how it is. Or you may imagine that your husband, maybe your wife, no one will CCTV footage. Then at their place. Let me just put it this way. On the CCTV, bunde no na country no na country no mantolo over to their own city. Ni bo na eme ebe abu ni na megini ni na afu ya. Iwe na afu da your wife. O we je ebe abu oje. We so onye ocha. Nya na nwoke onye ocha we bili. Bu your spiritual, bu your wife. Nya na nwoke onye ocha we bili. Ma bu nya na nwaanyi onye ocha bu your husband. Nya na nwaanyi onye ocha we bili. Ị na-ekili mgbe ọbụla ọ na-ekisi nwaanyị onye ọcha na-amịchi ya ọnụ na-akụ mpete. Mgbe ọbụla ịnọdụ na-akụ mpete ọ na-ada gị na mkpụrụ obi. Ịnọdụ ọ na-ada gị na mkpụrụ obi. Kedu ihe ị ga-eme? What will you do? Divorce is not an option. Don't put divorce. Let me tell you, your life when you was a virgin and your life when you is virgin was never the same. Think back, reverse back, reverse back, reverse back, reverse back, reverse back. When you have a spiritual calling, when you are still a virgin, you will be seeing spirits, you'll be hearing voices of the spirit. You can be dreaming and your dream will be coming true. Your dream will be so clear. You'll be understanding every of your dream than when you is virgin. Because when you is virgin, so many spirits will be angry.
Yes.
They will be jealous. Meziani imagine having on a CCTV when they kill your dear wife, your lovely wife. One year for Nanya, another na tangwa, only change style. He na killing 1 year for Nanya, only your mother BJ. Huh? ị na-ekili nwoke anyị bụrụ n'anya ọ na-asa nwaanyị efele ị na-ekili ya. Your dear lovely wife, your dear lovely husband, ị na-ekili ya, a na-atago nwa onye ọcha tọn onye side ọtọn onye side atọ ọta na kitchen ọta na bedroom ọta na bed ọtọn onye ome monkey style ome nkịta style ome. Kedu ka obi ga-adị gị? How will you feel? How will you feel? This is how we are feeling. This is how they are feeling. That's why they tell you that they are jealous. You didn't agree on all those things. Most of you agree. Man, if I'm not going to go, opening style I na-emeze mbụ ka a na-emeze kịta. Emebe monkey style of ile na onye ayi egbugwa gị. Doggy. Emebe doggy no wacha na onye ayi egbu gị na ọbụzụkwa nna ọbụzụkwa ibe ka na-eme ya. Ọbụzụ n'ibe abalị ọbụzụ ka esi eme ka kedu ụdị monkey dị ka ụdị style dị wee. This is some slightest things that provoke them. I didn't say that is a bad thing. No. I think I enjoy it. After entertaining questions from your spiritual family, you will now move to Ndi Otugi, Bundi Obanja. They are the second people you need to entertain questions. I need to be friends. Monage be schoolmate. Monage be no food street. Monage nagako ofu ebema. I need makono. I need be friends. I need to my and make everything. I need to agree. I need to do one mother. We now agreed. Mo say ani mejo one mother. Even Nigeria because na family ndi bendi di otua. Na mo na ji medibia. Isi mo dibia ka na ji men sige kedu kwado oge ga anata nsigi na ọbụ na ma elu 100 years na mụ na anata 100 years a kedu ebe ọ ga-abụ eche ka time amala ebe ọ ga-abụ onye nke egwu nke ya onye si na ọ na-abịa ịbụ medical doctor onye si na ọ na-abụ ịbụ onye nkuzi onye si na ọ na-abịa ịkụ egwu na ọ na-abịa ịbụ a musician onye si na ọ na-abịa ịdị famous ụfọdụ bịara ụwa gbara ka o nwere ebe ha chọrọ ịbụ. Yes, all of us have now agreed. I will join Bogebuani in that our Ubo. We now have a specific time. I get you when I chiazu. No Bogebuani. I never go specific time. Gebuchianazo. Specific time. I Gebuchianazo will come 7 p.m. 7 p.m. All of us agreed that we are going back 7 p.m. We have now agreed. 7 p.m. My 100 years can actually mean 4 p.m. or can actually mean 5 p.m. or can actually mean 6 in this very present life. Onye gano taka gano zebe 150 years mabo so and so. Mano nwere onye bịara ụwa nọgide chi ejie mba odoro possible. You come live in the morning, you go in the morning, you go in the afternoon, or you go in the evening. Nobody goes in the following day. It's a typical lie in the spiritual realm. So you are just on a day journey in the spiritual realm. On a day journey, that day journey, if 1 minute to you, just like Otosi when you start the other time. But in the mosquito world, they are living in the mosquito world. They are living 200 years or 1,000 years. But in our own understanding, this very calculation, if ever they live for 7 days, mosquito on weekend eburo na no 7 days before one. Mosquito on weekend eburo na no 7 days before one. Yes, na say jido for mosquito mark anya happy. Mark anya pochite no fu no ka na efe ali. If I go for 7 days before one. In the animals kingdom, in the animals world, many of them can spend 300 years in their own understanding. But in this very planet, onwere anụmanụ, onwere ife dị ka nkịta. Mmasị ọ bụla onwere anụmanụ. Mbe nwere ike nọ 500 years. Mbe nwere ike nọ 1000 years. In this our own calculating. Mbe ọ bụ na ọnwa ike gburu mbe na-anọ 1000 years. Tortoise. Mana nkịta ama nọ 20 years. Ọ fịala nkịta arụ nọ 20 years. And still living. So where am I going to? And so on and so forth. And so on and so forth. In the underworld, that 150 years, 200 years you want to stay here is just a day. It's a day. Okay, some people can spend 4 hours. 4 hours can be your 40 years. 4 hours can be your 60 years. So 4 hours can be your 50 years. I don't know the actual time, but I can tell you that specifically that is a day. You can't spend more than. You go and change the color of Iji wherever. It was a nachi as a nachi. We all now agreed. When Obanya Ganachi Yaz Weber 7. I need a whatever na bo kalete, wabatalo na bo kalete. Even in a chogana go bo kalete, because I will mando. Mana bifi will mando. There are so many things there. Iga wala kalowa, iga Iyi-Uwa. Those things you need to take an oath. You will swear. Or you working a boogie. So many people that died today be Iyi-Uwa buluve. Iyi-Uwa bulugi. You must swear. You could keep here. Because that word is not your place. Now what about the embassy? After going there, you get flight ticket. You now enter plane and fly to here. You now get to Abu Kaleto. Or do I get the same question? There's not just again. Can there be Naja? Is there in Naja Bariamo? Now, family in the Bell Yaki Naja Nebada. Zamunajan family in the Bell Wakalo. Can it be Najim and have a family in the Bell Waka? Anime Jime Dibia. Dibia in Najime. Kadoga Nata. Zanamona Nata Mabana Mame. 100 years, maybe 80 years, maybe 70 years. I don't know the specific time. You now said, if you Najime, you went. Abo kalete edenya dibia no wi na agime ka dibia motivate likiji wachi medibia isa na imeli dibia no wagen but actually continue from ebe kwose fine mmadu no na ka ige treat mmadu no na ka de oyi ga na agbo iwu ewolo ya bụ nyaba gi no oyi ya na agbo ibe abi ga na eme ibe ga di onwelu okpugbo oku akpolo ge nya ba ebe ba akponalo ge because it's an oath akalaka ge ibi di ubia na mu na agime dibia achom ide na agbo nsi ọ na-enye ndị mmadụ ulu agbanwe ndị ajọ mmadụ achọ maka nna agbaba onye ka nna azọ ndị mmadụ fine onye na-enye jide onwere ọzọ isi amụchọkwa ka nna atụ aja onwere ọzọ igwe ewelu ibe niile mana the more you agree the more you pack load the more it's heavy for you. That's why everybody ụwa mazuru gị oke. There are some things you pick and drop some. When you want to pick riches, you drop some, you choose some short life, you drop some long life. When you want to choose beauty, Chineke me ewe amayem na mabolo ewe amayem na mabolo Chineke me ewe. You want to be beautiful, you want to be handsome, you want to be good looking, and you want to get the money. Also give bialowa. You want to drive a private jet. Only you. And you still want to live long. Also, you cannot choose everything. You must choose one and lack one. Even if you choose long life, choose prosperity, choose famous, you may choose not to born you may choose to have a wife who get boogie. There must some things you will pick and drop some. You will run above Mbaka guy for na pick what Mbaka banya mando. You want them car, Messiaka like of Amia, Itiam Messiaka can catch you. You chunk na achọ pointed nose. Ị makwa ibe si ya. Pointed nose ọ ya bakwa na moto go mana o nwere ibe ga drop plantain na ibu ihe ebutu ya. Those are the things. Ewe check ya logia. When you choose those beauty, when you choose all those things, after choosing the whole thing, you get a man of what? Now they want to put it to you as if we get there will be a price that we will pay. And when they go gaho, a man over the gaho, equal last week. Kado go gaho, can the observant, can the follow. On the logo gaho, you have a price to pay. You will pay for collecting those things. Tell me. Can you know some? You will pay. You will submit your ability to remember, your ability to recall, your ability to know where you come from, your ability to remember your friends, your ability to know what you choose. You will drop your memory. Your memory is going to be exchanged. Akolo, you can never akolo. But sometimes your chi will be trying everything possible. Come remind the again. That sometimes you go to a particular place, you begin to before. Before. Sometimes you will see a particular person. Or they before. On webe se malonya. Ina nonya. Ona de ko webe se malonya. Onya na yi go onye ma na me makwa. Oga na yi go onye ma. Mana ma zo onya de ya o na yi gi. Ina so onya nwere onye. And the onye nke na onya ifo onya. O nwere onye ga be ifo. If you like the person, your spirit will just accept the person. The person is your mate in the spiritual realm. Even the person cannot remember, and you cannot remember. Two of you are blind.